Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power of Electrical. In this video, we are talking about ACB, IR and CRM test. First of all, for IR test of a circuit breaker, there is a sequence. For off condition, there should be pole to pole. Pole to pole means RR dash, YY dash, VB dash. And for the on condition of a circuit breaker, there should be phase to phase. Phase to phase means RY, YB and BR sequence. And the phase to earth. Phase to earth means R to earth, Y to earth, B to earth. Before IR testing, we need to confirm that our circuit breaker is off or on. So that we need to check the pole to pole continuity to confirm the circuit breaker is off. So now, after confirming the circuit breaker is off or properly off, then we connect the meter probe to pole and inject 500 volt for LT system and get the value. For the pole to pole, we get the value greater than 5 gigaohm. After completing pole to pole means off condition, then we get to the breaker on and check the same as well, the breaker is properly closed or not. Then we check the phase to phase IR testing, and the same we applied 500 volt to the circuit breaker, and then we get the value 6.48 gigaohm like that. Though we complete the same sequence RY, YB and BR. Now we are going to IR testing of phase to earth, mean R to earth, Y to earth and B to earth. After connecting the probe between phase to earth, we applied the voltage 500 volt and we get the IR value. So same process follow for the rest of two phase to earth sequence. Now ACB CRM test means circuit breaker contact resistance test. For a circuit breaker, the CRM value should be in microohm. In the CRM test, we applied a DC current to the circuit breaker terminal when it is a on condition, and we measured the voltage drop between to the terminal. For a CRM test, we use a digital microohm meter, which meter has a 4 probe, 2 probe mainly for the voltage and 2 probe for the current. We applied a DC current to the RR dash terminal and we get the resistance value is 38 microohm. For the same process, we applied we do Y phase, we get 45 microohm, and we do B phase. For B phase, we get 52 microohm. So friends, this is the process of CRM test of a circuit breaker. Now, in a circuit breaker, there are some electrical coil for tripping and closing purpose. We need to check those coil resistance, means those coil are healthy or not. So friends, if this video is informative for you, then please like and subscribe my channel and stay connected